Are you thinking about taking on a home improvement project but not sure if it's worth the time and investment? Home improvement projects can enhance your home's aesthetics and bring many practical benefits that can improve your daily life. From increasing your home's value to improving energy efficiency, there are numerous benefits to be gained from home improvement. In this video, we'll explore some of the top home improvement benefits and how they can positively impact your home and lifestyle. So, whether you're considering a minor update or a major renovation, read on to learn why home improvement is a smart choice for homeowners. The benefits. Home improvement is a term that refers to any changes or renovations made to a home. These improvements can range from simple cosmetic updates to major structural changes. Regardless of the scale of the project, there are numerous benefits to be gained from improving your home. This video will explore some of the top home improvement benefits and why they matter. Increased home value. The most significant benefit of home improvement is the increase in home value it can bring. Particular renovations, such as kitchen remodels and bathroom updates, offer a high return on investment. These types of projects can improve your home's functionality and aesthetics and make it attractive to new buyers if you decide to sell in the future. Improved energy efficiency. Home improvement projects can also improve the energy efficiency of your home. Energy-efficient upgrades, such as new windows and doors, can help to get air drafts and improve insulation, resulting in lower heating and cooling costs. Upgrading to energy-efficient appliances and HVAC systems can also lead to significant savings over time. Enhanced comfort and functionality. Home improvement projects can enhance the comfort and functionality of your home, making it a more enjoyable and convenient space to live in. For example, adding extra storage or updating your kitchen layout can make your home feel more spacious and organized. Similarly, upgrading your bathroom or adding a new outdoor living space can enhance your enjoyment of your home and help you make the most of your living space. Better health and safety. Home improvements can also improve your and your family's health and safety. For example, updating your home's ventilation system can improve indoor air quality, while installing smoke detectors and carbon monoxide detectors can increase security. Home improvements such as adding a ramp or grab bars can also improve accessibility for elderly or disabled family members. Personal satisfaction. Finally, home improvement projects can provide personal satisfaction for homeowners. A feeling of accomplishment that comes from completing a project can be a great source of pride and satisfaction. Additionally, living in a home that reflects your style and meets your needs can improve your overall well-being and happiness. In conclusion, home improvement projects can benefit homeowners, including increased home value, improved energy efficiency, enhanced comfort and functionality, better health and safety, and personal satisfaction. Whether planning a major renovation or a simple update, investing in your home can pay off in many ways over the long term. So, take some time to assess your home's needs and goals, and consider how home improvement can help you create the home of your dreams. Thanks for watching. Learn more at homeimprovement89.com. Click the link in the description now.